Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to fix issue that you get with Really Simple SSL plugin. So sometimes you get this type of code, this one. So when you add this code in config.php file, then you get a message that wp-config.php file is not writable. So how you can fix out that? First of all, you can go to cpanel, this one, okay. After that you can scroll down and find out file manager, and now here you can see these are multiple websites available. Okay, now let me go in this website and then scroll down. So here you can see this one is config.php file, so simply right click and change permissions. Okay, then you can check all the boxes. Okay, click on change permissions. So now you can go and edit this file, and now you can simply add that code here. Okay, at the bottom. So let me go and copy this code, and after that click on save changes. So in this way you can easily fix your SSL issue that you are getting with Really Simple SSL plugin.